Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Crafting with Ronda MC. I hope everyone's doing well. Here where I live, we have had nothing but rain. Oh my gosh, it's been raining and it's been cold. And who feels like really doing their hair and, when it's raining like this? So I was online and I did a little search and I found on YouTube, her name is Bonnie Barker, and she has a YouTube channel. It's called Bonnie Bay Crochet, and I'll leave the link underneath the description below for you. On her channel, she had made these headbands, and they're crochet, and the one that she made was Pacific Chunky Cabled Headband. That's the name of it. And she used a number 5 yarn. That's a really heavy yarn, and she used an L hook. Well, I thought, well, maybe, I might adjust it just a little bit. But what I did is I used some of the yarn that I had in my stash from some other things that I had made. And my yarn that I used is a number 4. Number 4 ply or 4 weight. And I used a I hook, a number 9 or a 5.5 millimeter hook. This is what I used. But these are what I made. And it is a cable stitch headband. Oh my gosh. These are so nice. While the weather is like this, pull your hair up in a messy bun. Throw this on. You're good to go. Not only are they cute, but they do keep your ears warm. So these are the 2 that I made. I thought they turned out really well, and her instructions are awesome. They're very easy to follow and understand. So, go check out the link when I leave it below. Go check out her channel. But I just wanted to share these with you guys if y'all are interested in, making them. Like I said, they're nice and warm, and not only are they warm, they're cute. I hope everyone is staying well. Thank you again for coming and watching my videos on my channel. Those of you that haven't subscribed, please take the time to subscribe or click the little bell at the bottom. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. And I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. Have a blessed day.